Hey people, so since YouTube has come to be my friend, I like to share these daily updates about my life. And the fact is, as of in the next 2 hours, I need to board a train to basically, I'm going to Ranchi, this place that is in Jharkhand, I think, and it's some work related thing. So but I'm just also excited, so I need to be all, I am all dressed, my luggage is all somewhat packed, but I still need to do some finishing touches. But so that's what I just had to share this cute piece of information, because for me, it was, I was going on thinking of this, that before the year ends I wish I could go somewhere, and then bam, suddenly out of the blue I get this chance. So I really feel that we are living in a pulsating universe, that if you really wish for something with a very clear heart, it comes true. So this is proof of that. So I'm all set to go, and I have to rush and do so many things. So it's already a 1 minute long video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.